Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz and this is the Rukka Fiennes glove. So as a lot of you will know, Rukka jackets quite often have a double cuff system, but this is the glove for those guys that haven't got that double cuff system. It's built into the glove instead. So this is the guys that want a winter glove, double layer cuff, so you've got a Gore-Tex area come up here, gap between the two, Gore-Tex here, and then it's seam taped to the top, so there's no way the wind or water can get in. So it's going to go inside your cuff, that's going to go over the top. So you've got a double cuff system running around, loads of adjustment on the top, and you've got a water point here, so when the water does go down, you've got a drain point to come out as well, so it's well thought out around the cuff area. If I spin it around, you've got your wrist restraint going over the top. This isn't made out of leather, it's a soft shell material, just gives it a bit more flex so you can get it over your cuff a little bit easier. As you come at the back of the glove, you've got leather inserts, soft shell running down, CE-approved knuckle armour as you'd expect from a Rukka product. So CE-approved there. You've got small protectors on the fingers, knuckles there, none on the little fingers, just so it's a bit more flexible. If I spin it around to the side, you've got your visor wipe coming down the finger. It's a very important feature on a winter glove, so you can clean your visor off, keep your vision nice and clear. Come around to the business end of the glove now. So you've got a full leather palm. Really important to look out for a leather palm in the glove. That's where all the protection happens. The fingers have got a single layer of leather so you can keep the feel, and then you've got a double overlay of leather in this main area here because that's going to be a high wear area. So it's got a double layer of leather so it gives you a bit more longevity out of the glove. Scaphoid pad over the top as well, and again elasticated around the wrist. So the Rukka Fiennes glove, Gore-Tex lining, so it's got the best waterproof line in the business. For any more information on this glove, go to bikerheadz.com, like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.